AI won't steal your job, but a creative person using AI might. Hello, my name is Shashi Matta. I'm a professor here of Innovation and Creativity at the Eichstätt-Ingolstadt School of Management at KU. Can creativity save your job from AI? So, AI by itself is not going to replace human creativity, human ingenuity. Remember this, AI is very good at patterns, but what we as humans are really good at is surprises. And that moves the world forward. So I think AI by itself is not going to steal your job, but a creative person using AI, that's a threat. AI is getting better at what we do, but can it think like we do? AI is good at predicting the next word. But humans decide what that next word should be and why is it important. What we need to do is get from patterns to purpose. We can leverage AI for speed, but use our own human creativity and judgment to decide what matters and why. What is creativity, and can AI really be creative? Creativity is originality plus meaning. Originality is key. When something new has meaning, it turns from something that's good into something that's wow. So AI, for example, can remix millions of examples and create something that looks original. But does it have meaning? Does it have intent? I argue that AI doesn't. We as humans can leverage those options that AI widens up for us and decide what matters and why. How do successful companies use creativity to stay ahead? Successful companies don't chase trends, they create them. Let me give you a couple of examples. Let's talk about Lego ideas. This turns fans into creators, and co-created sets by fans and the company Lego turn into successful products at scale. Second, you must have heard of Epic Games, obviously. Epic Games, which owns the video game brand Fortnite, shares 40% revenue with video game players who can also become producers and create endless content for the company. How do companies create value and stay ahead? They collaborate and they co-create. They creatively add meaning and value. How can students train their creative muscle? Treat creativity like just any other muscle that you need to train regularly. This time, it's a muscle in your brain. So, two broad strategies. One, watch extensively, read extensively, travel and experience extensively. Then your brain will have a wide canvas from which it can pick and choose to combine dots, combine patterns. That is creativity. Second, combine two different things when you're sitting and feeling bored instead of scrolling on your phone. Combine two very different ideas. Let's say a thrift store and subscription. How can you combine these in 10 different ways? What do we teach here at KU that can enhance your creativity? What we teach here at KU is for you to make sense of messy problems. When you're given a big, hairy, messy problem, how do you make sense of that? How do you break it down into parts that you can solve? I will tell you three things that we do here. Number one, we teach you critical thinking skills. Number two, we teach you creative problem solving. And number three, we teach you a structured way in which you can break down problems and come up with genius solutions.